Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are hitting it off with another Glossybox unboxing. Yes, I know, I missed January. Not because I didn't film that video. I did film that video. But one, I forgot to plug in my microphone, so the sound was terrible. And two, I look like a piece of poo. So I just decided I didn't want to post it. Let's dig into February's Glossybox. I got this really late, like it's what, the 22nd of February today, and I only got this like, I want to say a week ago. I don't know why. So I haven't, this video is going up late in February because I got it late. Oh no, that works. Open her up, look at the box. Obviously it was Valentine's Day. Funnily enough, I got this after Valentine's Day. So it's a Valentine's Day themed box. Let's take her out. This is what it looks like. Super nice. These little hearts everywhere. So cute. As usual, we have the information sheet that you have every single month. Like, oh, look at this. Bye-bye information sheet. Apparently I didn't need you today. I have these cute little heart ribbon on here. Let's open that up. And then, oh, pink. So much pink. This is what she's looking like. We see alien. We see nail varnish. I see Huda. I see makeup brush. I see some form of mask. And, oh, a toothpaste. First I'm just going to read this, the nice little message they write each month. It says, Happy Valentine's, Glossies. We're spreading the love this month by bringing you 5 fabulous products, plus extra his and hers treats to share with that special someone. This February, our amazing edit includes a flirty lip contour that will give you an irresistibly kissable pout, and a cruelty-free makeup brush that will help you achieve a breathtaking finished look. Backed by popular demand, we've also included a sumptuous Korean skincare product so you can treat yourself into an indulgent pampering session. So Glossies, whether you're happily single and embracing self-love, or you're in a blossoming relationship and prepping for a big romantic date, our It's All About Love edit has everything you need to make yourself feel sexy and confident. And then we have the sneak peek for next month right here. So this is the March sneak peek, and this says, introducing the latest beauty essential for plumper, smoother and intensely hydrated lips. Our March edit will be including a plumping, peppermint and blood orange lip balm by natural, vegan and cruelty-free beauty brand Bibi? B-Y-B-I? Bibi? BB? Don't know, but can always do with plumper lips. Thank you very much. I'm going to start with the sneak peek from last month, and that was the Huda Beauty lip liner. Yes! I got the nude one! It was either a nude one or a red one, and because I got I've actually got on today, I've been loving it, the nude lipstick in the because I got the nude lipstick in the December Glossybox, I got mine in the shade Venus. I was hoping they weren't going to send me the red lip liner. Hopefully I was thinking they would actually like send me the one that matches, and they did. So now I have a lip liner that goes with this. So what is the shade of this? Yes, they're the same shade. Yes! Oh my god, I'm going to put it on now. It's super creamy. Love that. Goes on the lips super easy. Yes. I'm so happy about that, as you could probably tell by the excitement. This is currently my favourite lipstick as well. Literally, I wear this pretty much every single day. So that's a win. And genuinely, when I run out, I'm going to have to buy another one. And I have recently just bought another Huda Beauty lipstick thanks to Glossybox. Now all my lipstick money is going to just disappear because they are expensive, but they're so good. And they're comfortable and they last all day. All day. I can eat. This will still be here. So, yeah. So this is the Huda Beauty lip contour. This is the Huda Beauty lip contour. We just love this flirty lip contour from beauty expert Huda Katan. Waterproof and transfer free, it glides on effortlessly to give your pout an intense shot of colour. Use it both to contour and colour your lips, or pair it with Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick for a beautiful matte finish. Channel your inner goddess, Glossies. Pout perfection awaits. You'll receive one of 2 shades, Venus or Flirt. So Flirt was the red one. I got Venus, so happy about that. This retails for £16, and you can obviously buy it on the Huda Beauty website. You can also buy Huda Beauty on Court Beauty and Feel Unique? No, Beauty Bay. You can buy on Beauty Bay. So there's a little tip for you. Turning onto the back here. So first we have, this is the Nails Inc Status Ready Nail Varnish. It says, long lasting and super glossy, this sultry nail polish is a fabulous, intense, deep cherry red hue. Better yet, it boasts an expertly designed brush that fits perfectly in the shape and width of your nail, giving yourself an immaculate manicure that has never been easier. How does that work? Because everyone has different... How do you open this? Everyone has different nail shapes. I can't open it. Oh! Okay, so you pull this. So this is what the applicator looks like. To be honest, to me, it literally looks the same as any other nail varnish applicator, just wider at the top. So I suppose it would kind of fit the nails, but to say that it will fit the shape of your nail is completely not true, because everyone has different shapes. But I love a good nail varnish, so I'm probably going to try this out and may possibly wear it in my next video so you can see what it looks like. Next we have Luxy Beauty, which I know what this is. It's the makeup brush. Comes individually wrapped as well, which is also really nice. It protects the bristles. This is the Luxy Beauty Onyx Noir Small Contouring Face Brush Fire. So it's number 512. I've heard good things about Luxy. Oh my god, that is soft. I've heard good things about Luxy brushes. It is like, oh god, that would be perfect for getting right in the cheekbone there. It's very soft. Oh, love that. Okay, so this says, when you look good, you feel good. Use this contour brush to define your best facial features and make yourself feel confident. Its ultra soft handcrafted bristles allow you to effortlessly accentuate your cheekbones and achieve an even blended contour. Cannot wait to try that out. I love a new makeup brush because it's one of the things that I hate buying, funnily enough. So let's pop her back in there. This is the Regenerate Enamel Science Advanced Toothpaste. There is nothing more charming than a nice smile. Give your teeth a spruce with this regenerating, strengthening and enamel mineral restoring toothpaste. Boasting unique NR5 trademark ingredients, not that I know what that is. It reverses the early enamel erosion process while giving you a pearly white teeth and minty fresh breath. This is, oh god, I forgot to tell you. The makeup brush is £15 and it will launch soon on lookfantastic.com, but Luxy brushes have their own website. It says here it's luxybeauty.com. Back to the toothpaste. This is the Deluxe Mini. It's 14mm and it's worth £2.50. The full size one is 75 milliliters and is £10. And you can shop this on lookfantastic.com/brand/regenerate.list. I want to smell it. Is it actually minty? We will see. If this is going to strengthen my teeth, please do, because currently my wisdom teeth are coming through at the back and it's moving, like it's pushing this tooth behind my front teeth and it kills. So, wow, yeah, that's very minty. Happy with that. Definitely going to try that out. Love me a new toothpaste. One of those is also one of the things I hate buying because it's a necessity. Hate buying necessities. Next. I can't remember if it was in January or December, the Vita masks. I feel like it might have been December. Anyway, they sent a face mask from this brand before and I would never use it again. So I'm kind of skeptical with this to use this or not. But I'm going to read it and see. Oh, it's for radiance though, so I might try it. It feels like a sheet mask though, so I might be okay. We'll get into that in a moment. So next we have this is the Vita Masks Multivitamin Mask. Achieve a breathtaking complexion with this pampering Korean face mask. Formulated with nourishing vitamins, it moisturizes and hydrates skin for a healthy glow. Apply to cleansed skin, leave for 20 minutes, gently remove, then pat your face to absorb the remaining excesses. Is it a sheet mask? Please be a sheet mask. Yes, it's a sheet mask. If it was going to be one of them other ones that you like rub on your skin and then peel it off, I would never have used this, because the last time I used their skincare and it had that in, it ripped my skin off. Ripped it off. Clean off. My face was, I cried. Like, it hurt that bad. I was crying. And then, so, instead of, I was peeling it and peeling it, and I literally was crying so much that it hurt, because it hurt that bad that I had to stop. And then instead I was trying to like wash it off with water, and then it just turned back into the jelly mask consistency. So it was literally so hard to get off, it just went everywhere. I made such a mess, I was crying. And the next day I woke up and my skin was destroyed. It was literally like blotchy red, patchy, spotty, like I'd had a reaction to the fact that it ripped my skin off. So this one, because it's a sheet mask, happy to try. If they had sent me another one that was just like a normal mask, I couldn't try it again. But yeah, I'm excited to try this one. This retails for $4.99 and you can buy it from their website, which is vitamasks.com. And the last two things in this box, I'm so excited for this. This is my favourite perfume ever, and I have ran out, and I'm just too stingy and skint to buy any more. This is the new Alien Fusion from Thierry Mugler. I'm so ready for this. The original Alien is my favourite perfume ever. I honestly love it, and I've ran out. I didn't actually run out, I had a little bit left, and then on my way back from China it leaked in my suitcase. Love it when that happens. So yeah, it's expensive, like I'm not gonna lie, it is an expensive one, especially if you buy that eau de parfum, not the eau de toilette, which I prefer the parfum because it lasts longer. Yeah. So these are, it says, these are the Mugler, so it's Thierry Mugler if you didn't know, Alien Fusion Parfum and Alien Fusion Man. It says, we're treating you to the new Alien Fusion fragrances by Mugler. One for you and one for your special someone. For her Alien Fusion Eau de Parfum, a hot and spicy scent with an intense fiery trail, not tail. For him, Alien Man Fusion Eau de Toilette, a leathery, vibrant and addictive fragrance that will awaken his senses. So the women's one retails for £49. It's an Eau de Parfum and it's 30ml. And then the men's one is an Eau de Toilette. It retails for £47 for 50ml. So I'm now and walk into my boyfriend and hopefully he falls in love with me all over again. Make sure I put the women's one on. Excuse me. Oh, that's good. It kind of tastes it kind of smells like a mixture of the original Alien and Black Opium, which are my two favourite perfumes, so this is like their love child and it smells so good. I'm getting emotional, I could cry. I want this now. I'm going to buy this for myself. Thanks. Thank you very much. I'm actually getting emotional over perfume. Okay guys, so that is it for the February Glossybox unopening for the It's All About Love Glossybox. Sound off in the comments down below what you think about this box. I'm really happy with this one. I think this is possibly my favourite one yet. I think the Aliens just won it for me, and now I'm going to go out and buy that perfume because I smell amazing. At the minute, Glossybox have changed their thing, so you can get a pay monthly for 12-month subscription for £8.99, I believe. So it's £8.99 pay monthly, but you just have to do it for 12 months. So instead of paying for 12 months all in one go, you can split it up in the months. And now I've just changed over to that one. Before it was $12.99, or you can just pay normally like I did, which is $12.99 a month. That includes your postage. So I think it's like, $10.99 a month, and then you pay for postage on top of it. But usually it's £13. But now these are costing you a nice old whopping tenner if you decide that you want to stay for 12 months and just do it for 12 months, which I've changed over to. So I will see you for the March Glossybox unboxing, if that's all you want to hang around here for. But I think you should subscribe and just stay tuned for all of my videos. So if you do decide to do that, subscribe down below, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up and sound off below what you think about the glossy box for February. What did you like? What didn't you like? If you do subscribe to this box. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye!